Please subscribe, like, and share.
I say because I feel bitter. My one say, you see, be ania one face to samba. It's me to my own pneumonia energy. Nobody edge man my hand. Yeah, boy. But Miss, I don't have money. Kaka Kakawa. Hang go, hang come, Papa. My boy. That's it.
I'm done. I'm done. I do. Send them in Kobe. Can't do it for anything.
Thank you very much. What we are doing today is a disinfection and disinfestation exercise. Generally, people call it fumigation, but that is not a technical word. What we are doing now is disinfection and disinfestation. So, as the directive came from the local government ministry and with the support of our Honorable Municipal Chief Executive, we are here for Ghana East Municipal Assembly. We are disinfecting 5 market centers. This morning we started with the Domi market, which is the major market for the municipality. We have 23 men to do the fumigation. We divided these men into 2, 5 groups, and then the remaining group. The 5 groups were dispatched to Taifa market, and the remaining stayed at the Domi market. So far, we've disinfected the whole Domi market, and then we've also done Taifa market. We have also moved to Taifa Burkina, which is also done. So the next market is Hachuya market, and then Hatu market, which we are doing currently. From here, we are moving to Abukobi market, and then Boy, and the other smaller markets that are around. So far, we've been able to disinfect all the markets that we have within the municipality. The only challenge we had was a little delay in the release of equipment, like the chemicals and the machinery. That is why we have delayed quite a little bit. But God being so good, we've been able to do the major markets. It's just left with the smaller markets, and we'll be done with the exercise.
Whole world. And so the president has given a directive that all the markets in Greater Accra and all markets in Ghana should be disinfected and fumigated. So that is the exercise you are seeing us do. We want everybody to partake in the trying to curb the situation, because it is engulfing human being. Italy is now having no solutions to the problem. We wish that Ghanaians should take these directives serious, so that we will be able to minimize, and for that matter, eliminate the virus from Ghana, for that matter. Thank you very much.
Honorable Minister.
Please subscribe, like, and share.